So guys, chaps and chapesses, guys and gals, and all that stuff. Remember my little Willie? Well, some people might, but remember that. I'm going to do another one. Oh, well, not another Willie. I've already got a little Willie. I've got two little Willies now, but I'm going to do another little carving. Let's see if you can guess what it is. I did turn the sound down and put some music on, especially for Little Willie or Big Willie. But anyway, I'll get on with it. See if you can guess the character. But before I do start carving that, I'm going to have a little strop. Not that sort of strop. This sort of strop. Is it sharp enough? Oh yes, that'll do the job. Although I'm not actually going to film the carving of this, I'll just show you what I'm doing. I'm taking corners off. It's rather hip. Yeah. I'm just basically roofing face art. He's getting there slowly. He's just such a good looking bugger, eh? That's the problem. Can't really cartoon him. I think that's the best nose I've ever done. Pop. So, I don't know. This Buffon made it difficult. I think I'm about there. It's a bit of sanding. Painting. I've got to try and work his ears out. Can you tell who it is yet? So, guess the YouTuber. Yeah, well, I've cut the sound out. See if you can see who it is. And then if it doesn't work out, I'll throw it away. Well, maybe not. I wonder who my next victim could be. Put suggestions in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like or a thumbs down and a comment. Thank you very much. Nice to be nice.